Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 11. If s is equal to the square root of t squared minus 4t plus 4, find t in terms of s. Now, we're given that s is equal to the square root of t squared, like you can see, minus 4t plus 4. So, this is equal to, let's say s is equal to s square. Now, by eliminating this square root, we simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we eliminate the square root here and giving s square. So we have t square minus 4t plus 4. Now this side here is a simultaneous equation. So now solving this side, we'll simply have something like this. We'll have that t square minus 4t plus 4 is equals to s square. Now when we factorize this, it will give us t minus 2 into t minus 2. That's the factorization of t square minus 4t plus 4, and this is equals to s square. So it simply means that what t minus 2 is equals to s square. Now if t minus 2 is equals to s square, it simply means that what t is equals to s square plus 2, and this is the answer to this question, which is option B, s square plus 2. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.